Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to set up your Selar account. This is the overview. Here are the products that I've added. So these are my products. Remember I showed you how to add products, so these are the products that I've added. So you can see that even somebody has already made payments. Just less than 24 hours. So this is the dashboard. You can do some settings here. Just depends on how you want it to be. You can customize the payment method. Alright, here you can put your profile pictures here. So you can just read through what you have here. You can customize it to the way you want it to be. It all depends on what you want. So once you have done, you click on update to update it. You can check your email, your stock currencies, the kind of email, how you receive your email. This is how you receive your email. Just tick any box you feel is important to you and click on update settings. You can manage currencies in different locations. So these integrations, this way you add your Facebook pixel, your Facebook pixel ID. Add it here. Yeah, this is my Facebook ad manager. You see that my pixel ID there. So I place it here. Your pixel help you to track your audience. It gives Facebook insights. Once you connect it to your seller, you can easily track the people who are buying from you and know the kind of customers that will buy from you. So if you want to connect your